Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to create custom jump shot in NBA 2K24. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So in NBA 2K24, jump shots are made by mixing the release speed and the shot animation of a player. So to do this, first of all, you need to select a player as base. So a player for upper release 1 and a player for upper release 2. After selecting this, you will have to set blending and release speed. So blending and release speed can vary from player to player according to the rules in the game. So to perfect blending and release speed, you will need to practice your jump shots in court, and if you are not satisfied with the given speeds, you can modify it to your liking. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.